All right, y'all. 2011, the first blizzard in like 11 some years in Chicago. And I am just sitting in the van. I'm going to show you what it looks like from inside the van. All right, that's the windshield. And that's the side window. I actually did a bit of shoveling of the actual van. I'm about to jump out the van and show you what it looks like. Clearly, this doesn't look good at all. Right about now, we're about, I would say, 10 inches to almost a foot deep. As you can see, the wind is still moving, gusting those. All right, according to Anthony, who's digging it, it's about a foot. I would say it's actually about 14 inches. If you include the gratuitous blowing of the snow. Good grief. Whoa. I think I see some sort of view back there. Ugh. Don't know what it is. All right, so this is oh, I can't see anything. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make a dash for it using these footprints that I made earlier. I'm gonna, 'cause apparently I forgot my Uggs. Fun times out here. Fun times. Ooh, buddy. This is meteorologist William Kirk signing out. Hopefully you'll see this when I'm alive. Okay, we're back. We've made some progress. As you can see, we've gotten the sidewalk and some pathways cleared. The driveway is just about cleared. The plan is to pull the van in the driveway to perhaps plug some more slow coming into the driveway. And we will then, I don't know what will happen then. It will just be more snow to shovel after this because it's gonna keep coming. So my fingers are thawed out a bit. I think I'm ready to take some more action. Gotta take intervals of shoveling out in this weather. It's freezing cold. It's miles of snow. And as you can see, the wind is moving at all times. It's at least 40 to 50 miles per hour. And this is where we at. So the plan is to pull that van, which is my van, which I shoveled for about an hour, into this driveway so that we can at least plug the driveway and be able to get out. I don't know how much farther I can get past this driveway. It seems like there's cars kind of just stuck in the street. We don't see too many cars coming around this block. There's usually enough cars coming in and out. That one's turning. Oh boy. If you haven't noticed, it's cold. I can't really talk. So, talk to you later. Yeah, that's the plan. See ya. Yo, what up, y'all? It's February 2nd, 2011, and we're in the blizzard. So I'm gonna show you what it looked like. Brace yourself. It ain't pretty. That's my car. Look at that. That's the straight up mountain. We did some shoveling last night, and this is all that's left of it, this little pathway. Yeah, this is about 2 feet. Yeah, this is Ant's car. You see the driveway, it's a bit compiled. Whoa, look back there. Whew. Charlie. That's the garage, but nobody's gonna be getting back there. The street. street is absolutely cluttered. It took me about 50 minutes to get from where this car is right now, where my van is, just around the whole block. Tried to go home last night, couldn't do it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like now, and it's only gonna get worse. So, yeah, if you come to Chicago, this is what you got. Sorry, y'all. Climb every mountain. Crawl. This here used to be my vehicle. It's no longer a vehicle. It's a snowmatron. Yes. Yabba dabba doo. See, you started the car. Let's see what it looks like over here. Whoa. Dude. Alright, Anthony's gonna try to back up. Let's see if our snow plowing does the job. In the meantime, let's look over here. Oh boy. Whoo, Charlie. This is the big one. This is the big Kalamazoo. Alright, we're getting there. Whoa. Whoa, snap. Alright, we're getting there.
Yo, hit this window for me real quick.
And I think he's out of there, y'all. Okay. Oh, wow. This is miserable, y'all. Ooh. Come on. This is what I had to do last night. Around one block. This is the block I came from. went around 4 corners, ended up right back there. My car now has a slope fade on the front. As you can see, this is quite a process pulling out a driveway. I gotta find a way to dig out the parking space now. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. As you can see, there's a line of cars waiting to advance. And we have a bit of a problem once we hit that street, because in the middle, that's where the snow kind of gets a lift in the middle. And if your car isn't high enough to clear the middle, well, your wheels don't quite touch the ground as effectively as they should to get the traction to advance. That's why cars get stuck. If you notice, he's got 4-wheel drive, but one tire is spinning, the other tire is spinning. The back wheel will spin, the front wheel will spin. All right. Put it in neutral. Neutral. I'm gonna push Anthony's ride because his transmission died, I think. So, oh boy, here we go. All right, I'm pushing Anthony down 111th Street, almost home. It's kind of a challenge because you got cars flying past you and around you, and you got stop signs, and sometimes you gotta just blow the sign. You know, you don't have time to sit there and stop and readjust, especially when there's snow on the ground. The major streets are pretty clear, but we get these side streets. When we get to the side street, that's where it's gonna be trouble. Big trouble. You have to like really get creative. You got to flag it down. You got to flag down the tow track, man. It's crazy out here, brother. Crazy. We have arrived to the destination with the vehicle. Someplace over on 90-something in Ashland. And I'm assuming that spot across the street is a repair shop, because this ain't nothing but a bunch of cars up in here. Yeah, so this is where we at. This is where the snow has brought us to. So that's the shop, right?
Yeah.
See? Ha ha! See, they towed it over there. Like you about to go buy a used car. They just got a lot of space. Boy, that's the hustle, man. We need to just get a tow truck, dude.
Hold up. I gotta get a key.
That's kind of important. So, I'm gonna do what they call the Chicago backup. Whoa. I just got slammed by like a snow truck. Yeah, we back. I'm back in the same space I was earlier. And you can see the street got a little bit clearer. Somebody came through and plowed some stuff. It was a bit of a job trying to get in this driveway, so I decided to hit the street. This is what it looks like right now. Yeah. Mountains upon the mountains of ice cream. Try to get in this driveway. No, sir. Ain't gonna happen. As you can see in the middle, it looks kind of icy. That's because it's about to get real cold. It's about to turn ice. So, hey y'all, what up? It's the third day of snow madness in Chicago. And I just went in the city of Chicago to pay my ticket on a payment plan, because you have to get on a payment plan if you got a bunch of tickets before they put the boot on you again. And for some odd reason, I feel like even though it's a lot of snow on the ground, they'll still do it. So I decided I'm gonna be on time and pay it. Normally that place is packed from front to back. There's nobody in there. So I went in there, went straight to the front, and I say there's nobody in there. It was just nobody in there. I just went in and paid it. First time in history that's ever happened. Look at this. This is a mountain a snow mountain. Stuff looks fun until you know, actually realize it's a bunch of snow and you're an adult. Maybe for kids, Little Caesars. Yeah, so I just wanted to tell you that best time to pay a parking ticket in Chicago is when it's absolutely cold and there's 20 plus inches of snow on the ground, because you'll get in there real quick. This here, y'all, is the famous Stony Island. If you're black and from Chicago, this is your street, everybody's street. And as you can see, there's a lot of snow walling happening from the plows, pushing the snow to the sides. A lot of emergency vehicles day in and day out. That's because there's a hospital behind me. And moving down Stony Island, you'll see lots of snow. A lot of these lanes, there's actually 2 lanes to the left and 2 to the right, but it's actually more like 2 center lanes. So here's the mosque, walled out. Yeah, here's a close-up look at the wall that is formed as a result of snow. And apparently I got in the wrong lane because it's about to go down in this lane. I gotta get out this lane. Yeah, I'm still on Stony Island, and I'm actually gonna merge into another street as I head home. This is Cornell Drive. Was gonna go down this block to go home, but apparently there's a car stuck in a bunch of snow up there, so I'm gonna have to detour. I'm gonna have to back up and go around or something. Haven't been on this block in about 3 days, so let's see how we can get over to my block. See if we can do it. It's like a van is stuck. I'm gonna have to detour or something. I can't go down this block. Well, so much for that. Okay, look at this. This is what I have to go around. It's actually like 2 lanes worth, and I have to drive around this. Oh boy. Wow. Look at that sucker there. A lot of this snow on this part of town is melted for some reason. Well, it's only because the sun is out and it's melting the snow. Getting down these streets is adventurous. Let's try 71st Street. Oh, snap. Just hit a bucket of snow. Okay, now, based on me trying to get on my block, I don't think it's gonna happen. There is no way to get on my block whatsoever. It is nearly impossible. Yeah, this is the block, and it's kind of rough to get to it. There's still mounds of snow piled up. So I'm gonna have to improvise, I guess. So, see what I can come up with. Okay, so here's the deal. Every side street is plugged in South Shore. Now, for those who don't know what South Shore is, it's a neighborhood, and it is one of the most congested vehicle neighborhoods in the city. Up there with Rogers Park and Lincoln Park, anything with a park. It's Hyde Park. Yeah, these neighborhoods are just notorious for being bad with the space availability for cars. And every street that I looked up upon is plugged with a stranded car, a police car, an ambulance, a fire truck. There's no way to get up these streets at all. It's, you know, it's gonna be kind of a grind for me to put this car somewhere, because the problem I face is you park in these snow lanes. These areas right here are considered snow lanes, and you know, plows come through and they plow the snow, but it appears to be sort of a task. So, ooh boy. So I think I'm gonna have to park really far away and just walk through the snow to my block. Yeah. There's that car still stuck in the street. Oh boy. This block right here would be my block, but there's an ambulance in the way, and if you look real closely to the street, it is plugged with snow. No car is gonna get over that unless you got a truck, a monster truck. Apparently, this is becoming quite a task. So, a lot of people are driving up the one-way streets the opposite direction and going through very passionate extremes to stay on the road. Chairs, chairs, chairs. Yes, y'all, this is what happens in the wintertime when there's a lot of snow. People put chairs where they used to park at so that when they come back, they could be like, oh, that's my space, which is totally a winter thing to do. Look at this. This is a block. OMG. Okay, I gotta squeeze through this car. Okay, did it. Oh yeah, but this is the situation right here. This is the real deal, y'all. I got on a block, and this is not even near my house, but this is sort of close in the sense that I'm trying to find ways to avert the inevitable. Traffic moves pretty slow on this block, but it's moving. It's not like the other blocks where cars are just stuck. There was a car just stuck on a mound of snow, and I said, wow, how did they get up there? But yeah, as you can see, some cars are just buried in, and this is the deal. Yeah. All right, y'all, after about a solid hour of driving around, I finally got a place to park. It's sort of far, but, you know, in the case of this type of weather, it's better to park in a place where you can get out of and know that you can maneuver from versus trying to park closer and then you get stuck, especially in this neighborhood, because in this block, there are just too many cars stuck in snow. And I'll probably be shooting some footage of that in a few. So check it out. A lot of cars are stuck in the middle of the street. So that's what it is, yo.